back to my YouTube channel. This is Jackie and today we are unboxing goodies from Australia. Ito po ay mga pasalubong sa akin ni Pedro. So, dahil lagi di naman ako nag-upload ng video sa aking business page, I thought i-upload ko na lang din sila dito sa aking YouTube channel since set up na naman siya. So, for those old viewers, hello po! It's been 1.5 years, no? Gagawa ako ng video na separate explaining why I had to stop daily vlogging, if that makes sense. But for now, we are unboxing pasalubong from Australia. So yeah, yung partner ko, nagpunta siya kasi ng Louis Vuitton. He was actually asking me to choose a bag from there, pero wala talaga akong mapusuan na bag ngayon. Maybe because I have so much and I've been so in love with Coach bags. If you guys can notice, I have so much Coach. Well, these aren't mine, but this is mine, my personally favorite for now. And this one, this is what do they call Zoe, but we are gonna be talking about them in the next video, maybe upcoming videos. For now, let's unbox. So yun nga, wala akong nagugustuhan sa Louis Vuitton and even sa Gucci. Kasi parang feeling ko umay na umay ako recently sa bags. And I've been wanting to have a scarf from either Louis Vuitton, pero wala akong mabetan. And it's really, really pricey. Kasi ang gusto ko yung silk. Kasi here in New Zealand, where I am living, it is spring, going to summer, and I don't feel like I'll be needing a cashmere. So, or something that is makapal. So, I'm looking for a silk. Pero feeling ko super expensive ng Louis Vuitton. I think their price ranges from $1,000 up. So, yun. So, I didn't go for Louis Vuitton. But one of my dream talaga, kasi it is something that I feel like, oh, I really want it, is a Burberry. That is actually the main reason why I've been watching Japan auctions, because I wanted to have a scarf from Burberry. But then, I don't feel like super kilig kapag second-hand yung bag. I don't know why. Maybe kayo mas gusto niyo yung second-hand kasi diba mas practical. But this one, I feel like, I don't know. Wala talaga akong mapusuan. But yeah, Pedro went to Gucci. I found two of my favorites there. I actually have the items here. Tada! So yeah, mag-start muna tayo mag-unbox sa una niyang binili, which is, sinakwento ko nga yung Burberry. Burberry! So this one is a scarf. I'll open it. So inside is this box. It says Burberry London. Ganito siya. I actually had a little silip kahapon, pero hindi ko pa siya nabubuksan. And this one is the receipt. Actually, tax refund. And this is the Burberry receipt. So, it comes with this too. Yan. Buti napakip ko sa kanya yung paper bag kasi usually tinatapon niya eh. But I like to keep paper bags sometimes. Not all the time. But yeah, this one. I am so kilig when I got this kasi sabi ko nga, it is one of my dream to get a scarf. And dahil nga andito ako sa New Zealand, scarf is, tika hahaching ako. 1, 2, 3, sorry. Baboy! So, one of my dream is to have a, nakakadiri talaga ako. So, yan na, open na natin ha. Para wala nang eklabo. So, yan. Pag open mo, see, di ko ba siya nabubuksan? Ganyan. Wala rin kasi akong time, guys. Super busy sa work, super busy sa Be Fancy with Jackie. I know most people na magwa-watch nito is from Be Fancy. So, hello guys! Yan. So, ganun. Dahan-dahan. Parang ayokong alisin yung keme. Shall I alis? Sige. No, I won't alis. Hindi ko alisin. Ganun na lang. Iyanhin na lang natin pero gagamitin ko na ito ngayon eh. Tada! So, ito yung item. First time ko talaga siyang makikita ngayon. Oh my god, this is really nice. Look, it is, I'll move it closely. So, napakanipis niya lang guys. Like, you can literally like see my reflection. So, ganyan siya. But, it is nice. So, ganyan. Diba? Cute. Kasi mahilig din ako recently sa damit from Country Road na mga white lang. So, what do we have here? Let's see. This is the giant check. Hindi ko mabasa, guys. Ilagay ko na lang dito sa bandang to yung nakikita ko dito. And Yeah, maybe mababasa ko to dito. This is a color camel check. Giant check. Hindi ko mabasa yun. Goes, what? Scarf. Basta scarf to. Ganyan siya. You can wear it. Hindi ko pa rin alam kung paano siya i-wear. Mag-YouTube pa ako. Pero I think I'm gonna be wearing it most of the time like this. Especially when I'm wearing like a white dresses. And yeah, I'm so happy with this purchase. Thank you so much, Pedro. Yeah, so this is his first pasalubong from Burberry. Let's move on to the next pasalubong from Gucci. Sabi ko nga, kasi may Gucci na ako dito. Wait, pakita ko sa'yo. This is my Gucci, my first ever Gucci bag. This is a belt bag. One of my favorite. And this bag is something na feeling ko ay talaga namang, ano ba yan? May dumi. Something na lagi kong nagagamit. Lalo na kapag yung travel naman namin, pupunta lang ako ng supermarket, which is usually yun lang naman yung pinupuntahan ko. It's a belt bag. So, ganun siya. Andito sa loob yung belt eh. Yeah, so ganyan siya. This is my Gucci and I'm so satisfied with this one. So, wala pa akong napupusuan sa Gucci recently. So, sa kanya muna ako. So, yeah. Pedro got, what is it? Sorry. Pedro got 1 and 2 items for me from Gucci. Lagay ko muna ito dito isa. And this one as well. Ano yan? Baliktad. Yan yun na. Sa loob ng Gucci paper bag, pakita lang may resibo. This is purchased in Australian way. Brisbane International. Yan. Ganito. Focus ba siya? Focus ka ba? Hindi siya mag-focus. Tanda siya. And yung resibo. So, it comes with 1 receipt lang. Anyway, yan. Unahin natin buksan is the scarf. Another scarf from Gucci, guys. What a dream. Because I really wanted a scarf from Gucci as well as Burberry. And this is something na feeling ko nga medyo natatakot ako kasi baka feeling ko talaga kakalabasan, magiging collector ako ng scarf kasi sobrang gaganda nila as in. So, there, let's open it. This is how it looks like. And, tada! So, it's in monogram. Monogram scarf. Put ko lang ito sa baba. And, it is same as the other one. Hindi rin siya super laki kasi gusto ko yung pang shoulder lang. And, wala rin kaming magustuhan na color na yung shawl. Shawl ba ang tawag din? Yung malaki, yung parang pwede mo siyang gawing blanket. But yeah, this is how it looks like. Super ganda, diba? Napakaganda lang ng color niya. Ano lang siya, keber lang. And then, sabi ko nga, dahil nahihilig nga ako sa white dress. And lagi lang naman ako naka-white most of the time. Yan. So, ganun siya, guys. It is so cute. Parang ano lang siya, yung mga design nila ng bag na ganito, which I also like, but wala pa ako nagugustuhan na bag na bilhin in this color. But this is really, really nice. Meron siyang green, red dito sa gitna, and then yeah, super nice. My next plan is to get the bigger shawl. Pero this one is perfect package. Lalo na, sabi ko nga sa inyo, it is still summer or spring dito sa New Zealand. Hindi pa masyadong malamig. So, I'll definitely use this one a lot. Kaya, ito yun. Pakita ko sa inyo yung difference. Alin ang mas maganda? Siyempre, dream ko yung Burberry. So, I love them both. Like, ganyan. Tada! Bili-bili na kayo. Char. Yeah, kakalaw. Anyway, this another one is dream come true. It's a dream come true. Meron ba kayong hula kung ano to? Actually, this one is one of my dream. I wanted something the same from Burberry, which I will get eventually. But this one, since nakita na niya, I thought, okay, this is for me. So it comes in a dust bag and some jargons inside as well. I'll show you my my dream. Dream talaga. Because since I was young, I really like hats. And yeah, I finally got one from Burberry. No, from Gucci. So, ikasya ko siya. Ganyan siya, guys. I feel like, okay, hang on. Yan. Tada! So, ganyan siya, guys. And it is in small, which I will actually try to adjust. Kasi medyo siya, maluag siya sa akin. Ng very light lang naman. Pero this is in small already. Pedro was actually planning just to get the medium. Luckily, he didn't. So, ganito itsura niya. I'll just show you. Ganito yung loob. May mga kleme dito. And then, yan. Diba? Kapartner nung aking scarf. So, kasya ko siya, guys. Oh my god. Cute! So, this is my other pasalubong from Pedro. It is so pretty. I feel like, ang cute! And sabi ko nga, summer, spring, I will be able to use this a lot. And yeah, I just love them. I love hats. So my next plan is to get a Burberry one. But for now, these are the items that I got from Australia. Well, not really I got, but Pedro got for me from Australia. The hat and everything. And alam niyo guys, I've been working so hard. So I thought, I kind of deserve this naman. And you know, si Pedro, hindi naman siya lang yung nagbibigay sa akin. Like, we give stuff to each other. Nagpapabili nga siya sa akin ng barbecue machine. I don't know. But yeah, yes, these are the items that I got, that he got for me, that I received from Pedro. The hat, the scarf, and the Burberry scarf. So 3 items. So anyway guys, it has been a fun video again. I'm so happy to be back. I will try to upload as much as I can. Thank you guys for watching till the end. I miss you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did. Please, if you're not subscribed yet, please subscribe. Dito ba yun or dito? I forgot. Please subscribe. Please leave a comment of items that you dream of having, or if you mind having second-hand muna, or what do you call that? Brand new. Anything in your mind. I will really appreciate it. So once again, this is Jackie. May your eyebrows stays on fleek and your husband remains so sweet. We'll see you next time. Bye!